Hi everyone, welcome back to JK Max. Today we're tackling a Vivo Y95 with a cracked display. I'll walk you through every step of safely removing the old screen and installing the replacement. Let's get started. Take a small piece of tape and stick it over the power V volume up and down switch. This helps prevent the switch from slipping or getting pressed accidentally. Open the back panel. Once the back panel is loose, gently lift it off and keep it aside. Now that the back is open, remove the screws securing this shield using a Phillips screwdriver. Carefully lift the shield and place it aside. Disconnect the fingerprint strip. Now, locate the battery connector and use a plastic tool to safely disconnect it. This is very important. Never work on the phone while the battery is connected to avoid short circuits. After disconnecting the battery connector, we need to carefully lift the battery from the frame. You can also use a few drops of isopropyl alcohol along the sides of the battery to weaken the adhesive, now that the internal parts are out. Let's move to the front side to remove the broken display. Again, heat the front side of the screen for a few minutes. Use a suction cup and plastic tool to separate the damaged screen from the frame. Be patient during this process. Don't use metal tools or apply too much force. Once you remove the broken screen, clean the frame thoroughly. Remove all old adhesive using isopropyl alcohol and ensure the surface is smooth. Now it's time to fix the new display combo. Before applying glue, test the new screen first. Connect the new display temporarily to the motherboard and battery, and power on the phone. Check for display clarity, touch response, and any dead spots. If everything works perfectly, disconnect the display again, and apply B7000 glue or double-sided tape around the frame. Now carefully place the new display in its position and press gently so it fits snugly. Let it rest for a few minutes. Let's now reassemble the device. Place the battery back in its place. reconnect the battery connector, display cable, and any other flex cables that were removed earlier. Reinstall the shield and tighten all the screws. Double-check all connections and ensure nothing is loose. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, JK Max Smartphone Solutions, for more mobile repair tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.